Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will show you how to set up data upload from Pipedrive CRM system to Smartsheet. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from Pipedrive to other systems. For example, in Smartsheet add new rows. Each time a new deal is added to Pipedrive, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Select Pipedrive as the data source system. Next, you need to select an action, Get Deals New. At this point, you need to connect your Pipedrive account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the domain and API key. In order to get this data, you need to go to your Pipedrive account. Copy domain from address bar. Please note that the domain must be copied without additional characters. Then paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. Now you need to specify the API key. We return to the Pipedrive system. Go to the Personal Preferences section on the API tab. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Pipedrive system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for your transaction from Pipedrive. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the Pipedrive data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Select Smartsheet as the data ingestion system. Next, you need to select an action, Add Row. At this stage, you need to connect your Smartsheet account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to enter the login and password from your Smartsheet account. At this stage, you need to give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, first you need to specify the sheet in which the data from Pipedrive will fall. Please note that if you previously gave a name to your columns, they will be displayed next to the corresponding fields. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Pipedrive. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, we see the test data that will be sent to Smartsheet. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Smartsheet. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.